I'm showing you a tour of the Dennison Train Museum. Alright, this is the theater. Now there's just to continue through it. This is just some random railroad stuff here. And this is the train set. And this is like the timeline for all the years. These are just some military stuff that happened or whatever those are a long time ago. Here's the old signal that's been used a long time ago, and this is just the old typer and all that. The old Pennsylvania Railroad ticket thing. Old picture stuff in this car. Long time ago. And this is just the control for the steamer. See there? So we click call.
Control train movements to check out the desk. Write your own train order.
And this is a shovel where you get all the coal in there. And then this is just like where you
The Watchman's Shanty. I took a
charged with the responsibility for our production. I can tell you that those souls will be
end of the line.
they're just old pictures on the outside. On the other side of the train.
keep an eye on things. I'll keep an eye on
And then there's the old railroad crossing gate, the old signal.
Back breakfast.
This is the steamer. That's just hasn't been used in forever. And then this is the front of the 2700 Chesapeake and Ohio steamer. And this is the train that just arrived just like an hour ago or so. I ain't riding it. And then this is the front of the Buckeye Train.
idea was actually ahead of its time. Okay, that's it. Things started going wrong. High operating costs, large facility, expensive upkeep.
Hey guys, we're in Liberty Park Tankers Creek Trail. I just went to the Dennison Railroad Museum and it was cool, and I filmed there, and I catch a train. So this is gonna be a huge video comparing all these three. So this is gonna be like a good video for YouTube. All right, so it's just a little sign: Liberty Tankers Creek, including the railroad crossing. Yeah, I guess this is like part of the trail. It's not really, it's just like which way we're going. But yeah, this is gonna be a good video for all these three things.
Should I shut up, in other words?
Yeah. First, we're gonna do this side. It's only like only like 0.2 miles. We're not gonna do like a turnaround video or anything if I turn around this trail. I'm just showing you parts. I'm not gonna do the turnaround thing. Hang on, I'm just gonna. Sorry, I went the wrong way. I think down there is like the. Man, I love all these dead ranch trees. Alright, there's just the area where it is. Alright, we're gonna continue on the trail. Yeah, as you can see, the trail's a little bit muddy, so I'm gonna have to walk through.
On the twig.
Yeah.
Might keep you from falling in.
Yeah.
Well, it did rain earlier, then.
I mean, yeah. I guess it rained this morning, but I didn't expect. Oh. Yeah, my shoes are dirty. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm filming this trail that's all swampy. Oh my god. Hang on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. God. Oh man, look at that.
Oh man.
Freaking huge puddle over there.
My gosh. What are we gonna do?
Yeah. Look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I want, you know what, forget it. I'm turning around.
No, no, no. We're not doing
What do you mean it looks muddy? Man. Just be a little more careful. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we made it to the end of this right side of the trail. And there's the view. Looks amazing. Yeah, it was a little muddy.
Anybody in there?
But we'll go to the next one, the left side. Yeah, there's like a nest way down there.
No fun.
Alright, here's the other side of the trail.
Maybe fire. No fun. Sometimes you might see something.
This better not be worse.
This is new. Oh, it's a national park.
And train tracks
It's,
close to
protective,
us.
If they let these things fall and rot,
You could see some kind of thing.
and they're pretty cautious about letting these animals live pretty much. I think these things are new right here. Most of the reserves are like that. Overprotected, some might say.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe and share. I appreciate this because this video is gonna be all the 3 things I filmed. So it's more like an adventure day video. I'm not gonna title it that, but I'm just making it up. But yeah, this is more like a perfect good video for trains and hiking trails. Because my channel is called Railroad Train Spotters and Hikers. I filmed a rail museum at Dennison, Ohio. Filmed a passenger train because they had some sort of event going on there, so they included the train. So I filmed that and filmed the whole train because it was stopping. It was the Ohio Central train, and yeah, so this is gonna be a good video to you all. So please, again, please watch, like and subscribe and share, and please like the video because this is perfect.
Oh, that goes around. This will be coming out of here.
Okay, so the left side here is a little path towards the lake, and it looks pretty good.
I'm saying, like I said, don't give me a
So here it is, y'all.
Hearing aids I gotta get.
Oh, and then yeah.
Entering some more trees, guys. Don't mind the cussing, y'all. Just enjoy this video. Bunch of broken trees, branches, all that side. Even some over here too. Everything's just very old on this area. Maybe you guys can Google Lens those trees and maybe give an idea how old these trees are, because they look pretty darn old to me. Gah! Gah! Sorry. That's what I do when I hear freaking geese making that noise. I'll be like, gah! And imagine how old these trees are with fallen branches. You know? Alright, well, there's another lake. And there's like one down there too. And this is pretty cool. And the train track that I filmed is way down there. And right here's, yep, and check out this nice lake over here. Bunch of lakes in Tankers Creek, guys. Honestly, you know, I don't really come here or that much, but it's just a little tour. It's honestly pretty cool. Alright, yo, I think this is the end of the trail on the left side, because this is just, the rest of this is just the loop. But in this way, I think it just takes you to the other lake, which I won't be. Actually, I'll film right now. So,
trail goes south that way.
Um,
This is the turnaround.
I think there's like one. Wait, there's like another loop to this trail too. Honestly. Oh wait, never mind. The other side is the loop, but it also has like a little view that you can view. So I'll show you in a minute. Alright, here's another platform. It's just a bunch of lakes. Even more way down there. One right there, and one here. Alright. There's one right here.
Oh, they're trapping on. Maybe they're like recording.
Sorry. Alright, y'all. Well, we're going to end this video right now because we made it to the end of the left trail. And it was called Tankers Creek, so feel free to come and check it out. I just filmed it. But also, this is going to be a huge video just of the 3 things I filmed. The museum with the train in it, the passenger train, and then Norfolk Southern Intermodal well car and auto rack, including some auto rack car train, and then the trail, Tankers Creek. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and share, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out!